Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Notcoin from Ton wallet to Binance. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this deposit button. So you need to tap on deposit and then you are going to see the option of deposit crypto. So you need to tap on deposit crypto and then you will be landed on this page where you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies that are available on Binance. So among these, you just have to use the search bar in the top and you will have to search for Notcoin. Now once you have found Notcoin, you simply need to tap on it and then it will ask you to choose your network. So over here you will be able to see only Notcoin as the network. So you just have to tap on Notcoin and then you are going to see the deposit address as well as the memo. So you need to require a memo, otherwise you will lose your coins. So you need to make sure that you copy the deposit address as well as your note memo. So from here you just have to tap on the copy button in order to copy your Notcoin address from here, and then you just have to launch your Keeper wallet. Now over here you just have to select your Notcoin. So as I currently don't have Notcoin, so I'm going to show you the steps on Notcoin. So you just have to tap on the Notcoin and there you are going to see the option of send. So you just have to tap on the send button and then you just have to paste the address in this section. Then you just have to enter any comment if you want to, and then you need to press continue. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount of Notcoin that you want to transfer from your Keeper wallet to Binance, and then you just have to provide your note memo that we have just copied from Binance. After that, you just have to conclude your transaction, and this way you will be able to transfer your Notcoin from your wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.